Create fast. Create fabulous. The Aero 14 OLED is designed for creation on the go. The Aero 14 OLED is the most portable Aero yet, measuring just 17 millimeters thin and weighing only 1.49 kilograms. With its stylish and compact design, it is ready to go wherever you want to go. The Aero 14 OLED has got plenty to offer, including a micro SD card reader, USB 3.2 Type-A port, 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports. There is also the Type-C for fast and easy charging. Inside the compact chassis, it packs a whole lot of firepower to speed up everything: photo editing, 3D rendering, or any graphically intensive work at a lightning speed. The graphics are particularly power efficient, delivering up to 40% more performance compared to the previous gen with the same power consumption. Did I mention how great the display is? You can experience breathtaking visuals on this expansive 16x10 OLED display with 100% Dci P3 coverage. Each Aero 14 OLED is also factory calibrated by X-Rite and Pantone validated, providing perfect color accuracy with a delta E of less than 1, so that you can visualize or edit your creation so accurately without possible reworking or returns. The Aero 14 OLED is easier on the eyes too by filtering out harmful blue light by up to 78%, while still keeping the color bright and accurate. There is also the AI eye care technology that automatically adjusts brightness to the environment. Because the Aero 14 OLED is so power efficient, the long-lasting 63 watt-hour battery allows you to maintain your non-stop creative momentum. You don't need to slow down even when it is running low. You can charge it back up to 50% in just 30 minutes. Here it is, the ultimate choice for those who demand both style and substance. Experience the perfect blend of fast and fabulous in one device with the Aero 14 OLED Creator Laptop.